All right. Let us quickly look at this once now and solve it and see how it will go. We are solving all these ones using long division method. Long division. I believe we all understood short division method. Now, using long division method, let's see. Number one, we have 672 divided by 4. So we have our bus stop like this. Then we have our 672. Pupils are encouraged to leave space between their numbers like this so that their work will be very, very neat. So please take notes. Now we are dividing by 4. We have said this is what? I want you to say it. This is what? Yes, divisor. This is what? Yes, dividend. And the answer we are going to get is called what? Quotient. That is good. Now, the method we want to use is bring down, divide, multiply, and the last one, subtract. Well, some we say the first one is divide, bring down, subtract, and divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. That is dirty monkey smell bad. Dirty monkey smell bad. So that is it. Let's look at it now. The first thing here is bring down. Let's assume we have brought down this one. Divide. 4 goes in 6. If you don't know it, please go and count. Look at me counting here. I will count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You always count your dividend. This is your dividend here. You always count your dividend and divide it by your divisor. Now, divide this one by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2. We cannot see another 4 again after that first 4. So we can only divide it once. So we come here, we write our 1 here, 1 on top of the 6. Then we are left with 2. But in long division, we don't know about that. The next thing we do after we divide is we multiply. Excuse me. We multiply. So we say 1 times 4. 1 times 4. It is 4. The 4 is written on the number you are using currently. And it is 6 we are using currently. The 4 is under it. Then the last one is what? Subtract. Then we say subtract 4 from 6. So this will give us what? If you count it, you will know that it's remaining 2. Note, the number here must be smaller compared to our divisor. It is the remainder you are having here that is going to be here. Take note of that. Then the next thing is you bring down. You bring down this 7 this way. Bring down the 7. Then combine it with the one we have here first. The first one you are putting here, that is the remainder of the first process. Now, this is it now. It's giving you 27. 27. 27. Not just 7. 27. Now, you count 27, you divide it by what? By 4. You count 27, you divide it by 4. Look at me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I want to divide it by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Wow. So it cannot go anymore. So let's count how many times we have seen 4 in 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 is our answer. It goes on the 7. You know, we brought down 7. So 7 is the current number that is we are using. So 6 is written on 7 like this here. So the next thing is we multiply from our process. Multiply. You know, the other time we multiply 1 times 4, it gives us 4. We write under 6 here. Now this one, 6 times 4 will give us 24. So you write your 24 here, 24. Then you subtract. So subtract. When we subtract, we have 7 minus 4. It gives us 3. And you know this one is 0, so we may not need to write any 0 there. That is it. Another process is complete like that. Then we start again. Bring down again. Bring down. This one. Bring down. So we bring down what? 2. Now we want to count 32 and divide it by 4. We want to count 32 and divide it by 4. Count 32. I told you we count only the one in our bus stop and we divide it by the one outside. Count 32. But luckily for me, I've already counted this one and I counted 27 that time. If you remember, you should learn how to keep something in your retentive memory. This is 27. Then now turn it to 32 now, because I want to count 32 now. So 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And I was cutting by 2. Now look at it. I was cutting by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I did the same till this point. So let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times have I cut now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have cut it 8 times. That is the division. I have divided now. Then I want to multiply. 4 times 8 or 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is the same thing as 4 times 8. So 8 times 4, 4 times 8, 32. 32. So we minus. When we minus, we have nothing there but 0. So bring down the next one. There is nothing to bring down again, and that is when the process should end. When there is nothing to bring down, then you will not divide, then you will not multiply, then you will not subtract. So since there is nothing to bring down, you stop. So you cannot say, therefore, my answer is equals to 168. Look at it very well. We are dividing 672 by 4. We first bring down 6. We divide it by 4. It gives us 1. 1 times 4 is 4. We subtract it. We got 2. We brought down 7. It gives us 27. We counted our 27. We divided by 4. We got 6. Then we multiply 6 times 4. It gives us 24. 24. 27 minus 24. We could only get 3 remaining. Then we brought down the 2, making 32. Then 4 goes in 32. That gives us 8 times. 8 times 4, 32. We are left with nothing, but that is not the yardstick that we should stop. But until we come to the top here and we add nothing to bring down again. So we say our answer is 162. Well, we have the remaining one there. We still have number 2 and number 3. Please try and do that now and send it to me wherever you are. Thank you. God bless you. Happy Sunday.